Alright guys, here's today's project. Upper control arms with the ball joints and the tie rod. It's going to be, this one's for the passenger side. I already did the driver's about a month and a half ago, I think. And I figured I'd turn on the camera and show you how I do these. It's not that difficult because it's not much to it. You'll see what I mean. Anyways, I have all the tools over here ready for action. Of course, the most important one, shout out to the water. And I got the air all done up. That's not leaking, by the way. That's this thing. And there's the victim right there. So I'm going to start off on the passenger side. I'm going to take out that damn tire. And let me see here. The passenger side is going to be this one here, which is the right side, and also this here. Alright, so here we go with this project. I'm already sweating. I think it's almost 82 degrees. Not fun, but somebody's gonna do it, right? Bolts here, pain in the ass. No joke. Alright, not bad. First nut. Leave the other side in, and then I want to take out this bolt here. I already did this in about a month ago, so that should come out fairly easy. Alright, now I'm going to have to go get a wrench for the other side. Back and forth. Sucks. gave a new bolt as well. Oh, this one's up here. This thing's sharp. If it does that, no good. So here's the new upper control arm. Hopefully, no problems. And there is a problem because he's not worn out. Alright, so that one's good. Now this one here, we're going to mess around with it. It's going to go up. That keeps it from moving around. Okay. Okay, there we go. Shout out to the new nut. Alright, that's looking good. I got this. Now, next, right here, I got it marked. And where is it? There it is. Take out this damn tie rod. Alright, I already went ahead and I put a wrench up to the nut there. And I already loosened it. So now I gotta take out this pin here. Take out this cotter pin. And then take out this castle nut. And then bang out this tie rod upwards. And then replace it. That's it. What a mess. What a mess. Yeah, it wasn't that difficult to do, but it's just out here very hot. Let's see. The temperature is outside. What is it? Outside is 84. Alright, so here's the old tie rod, right? Castle nut. I banged the crap out of it. Here's the new one in. Matched it up to my white paint best as I could, and of course the upper control arm with a brand new ball joint. Nice new sleeves in there, bushings. Should be solid. I'm gonna spray this down with some brake degreaser and put the tire back on, turn the truck the other way around, and get that driver's side on here. Always double check. Now the other side. I need to take a break, although my heart's fucked. Alright, here we go. Driver's side. Holy shit. 13 millimeter. now to tighten everything up. Okay, that's that one. Probably can't see that, right? Make sure I did that one. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. On to the next project we go. Easy job, but a tough one. Holy shit.